God bless, God bless, God bless. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful day, and stay sheltered, protected. It is very bad outside. It's here in Coney Island, I can literally see the ocean waves. Kicking up the sand dunes. It's pretty bad outside. Very wind. The wind is very strong. Anyways, we all come across photos or we have a little section or a little bin where we have photos that are really, really old and very fragile and in dire need of restoration. My mom has a couple of photos like that. I'm pretty sure my sisters have a couple of old photos of things like that. And some of us have photos of, grandma, grandpa. Some of us have photos that are, memorable moments, like wedding day, or, the very first wedding or photos where we capture moments, and sometimes with time, they get degraded, they chip, they crack, and they need, some help. Well, I love working on photos. I love restoring photos, and bringing back that emotion that was captured at that particular moment. I like, working on photos. It's restoring them is something that I enjoy. I will say this: it is not easy to restore, but I thank God that I was given the ability to go to school and actually learn, how to restore photos and stuff like that. So I came across this photo, and with the permission of the individual, I went ahead and created this video and restored the photo and um, surprised her with the output product. But I don't want to go ahead and go into all that. I'll explain exactly what I did. I used the healing brush tool in Photoshop, and I also used the clone stamp tool, and then played with the levels and adjustments and recorded the whole entire process so you guys can enjoy. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the process. If you like the channel, please don't forget to hit a thumbs up. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that way you get notified when a new video pops up. If you'd like to support this channel, you can always go to artbyrichie.com. You can read about my blog. You can go ahead and go click on the merch shop, and it'll take you to the merchandise that I create, or the t-shirt designs that I do, and if you'd like to go ahead and share this video with your friends and family, by all means, please do so. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. Leave a comment. I'm always interested in feedback. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. God bless.